Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common problem that can arise when dealing with global function pointers in NASM. The problem we are facing involves accessing the global function pointer directly in NASM without going through the PLT, which results in a warning message during compilation. Now, let's delve into the solution for this issue. By using the default rel directive, we can access the global function pointer directly with a RIP relative addressing mode. This allows us to call the function pointer without the unnecessary level of indirection, ensuring a smooth execution of the code. Expanding on the solution, we can further optimize the code by loading a pointer to the variable from the GOT using the MOV racks rel fn_ptrwrt got instruction. This enables a memory indirect call, loading a new RIP from memory, and enhancing the efficiency of the function call process. Continuing with the solution, we can observe a distinct relocation type in the disassembly output when calling the function pointer. The use of our _x86_64_PLT32 relocation ensures proper calculation of the offset from the end of the instruction to the global variable, maintaining the integrity of the function call mechanism. In the final part of our solution exploration, we encounter a unique method of calling the function pointer with a call fn_ptr and call rel fn_ptrwrt PLT instructions. By utilizing these instructions, we can address the global variable directly, allowing for efficient and effective function calls without unnecessary complications. To sum it up, addressing global function pointers in NASM requires a strategic approach to ensure smooth execution without complications. By following the outlined solution steps, you can optimize the code and eliminate warning messages during compilation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts on this quirky NASM challenge.